This demonstration shows how Visual Cut can replace multiple fonts across multiple reports with a target new font. I'll open this main.rpt report in Crystal and notice that there's a bunch of objects here that are Times New Roman 10. That's both the column headers as well as the column content here. We also have a piece of composite text here, and that one is Arial 10. We want to change both the Times New Roman 10 and the Arial 10 to, say, Calibri 10. So I'll close this report, and I'll right-click any report in the grid and elect to inspect and update selected reports within a folder. And I'm going to select the main report as well as a copy of that main report as targets for replacement. I'll click Open. The report inspector now scans these two reports and reports on a bunch of objects and expressions that I can then target for various types of activities. For example, I can change expressions, I can re-import subreports, but in this case, I want to change font. So I'll click that option. At the bottom here, there's the list of all font and font size combinations found across those two reports. And here's the Arial 10, and here's the Times New Roman 10. And I'd like to target them for replacement with Calibri. So I'll pick up the Calibri. And the star here indicates that I want to change both of them to that font name, but I don't want to change the size. I could put 9 here, and then both of them would be changed to Calibri 9 instead of Calibri 10. But I'll keep it as 10 here, and click Apply. So at this point, there's a scan going on and those fonts are targeted. Copies of the updated reports where the fonts have been replaced, and you can see that there are 63 font changes and 2 reports were updated and saved to this temporary folder. And when I click OK, I'll get a dialog inviting me to open those reports in the temporary folder. I'll click Yes, drill down into that. And here are the 2 reports. I'll open the main.rpt and notice that indeed this column content was changed from Times New Roman to Calibri. Same thing with the column header. And this text, which was Arial 10, is now Calibri 10, and both pieces of this composite text got changed to Calibri.